So I have a lot of people asking me how my face is always glowing and how I manage to look the way I look. And so today I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself beauty treatment that I do. It's one of the best ways to beat the heat. It's 46 degrees outside, and today I'm going to show you exactly what I do. So come on. So here we are, and there are two steps to this beauty treatment. The first is exfoliation and the second one is the face pack. So we start with this. It's a cleansing facial wipe. So we gently wipe the face of any grease, any oil, any dirt at all, and we're set now. So I have made this scrub, and in that I've added 4 ingredients. First is St. Ives moisturizing cream. The second product I've added is St. Ives scrub. The third is, you can add either rose water or a toner. I've added a toner. And you can add fruit, so it's either an orange or lemon, whatever you have. And you prepare this exfoliating scrub. So what is exfoliation? Exfoliation is removal of the dead skin, right? So as we sleep, there's a lot of repair work that's going on, and as we all know, in order to welcome the new, we need to get rid of the old. So now you just apply a very thin layer of this on your face and just gently scrub this on your face. So we are going to clean the face with ice. So we're done with step 1. So now we're done with the exfoliation, and I have made my face pack. So I have added crushed strawberry and just a dash of yogurt, and now we apply this on our face and wait for it to dry. Once we're all done with this,